Good morning, dear students. Hope all are well. Today we will discuss about photosynthesis. And our first topic, nutrition in plants. And in nutrition in plants, first topic is photosynthesis. So I taught you in my last lecture that all the physiology you have to study in all three forms. Number 1 in plants, number 2 in animals, and after that you will study all the physiological processes in microorganism. Okay, so all the physiological processes, again I am repeating, you all have to study first microorganism, after that in plants, and then after in human being, or you can say in animals we will study. So plants are stationary body, but they make their food by a process. That process is known as photosynthesis process. In photosynthesis, two words are here. One is light and second word is synthesis. Synthesis means combine. Photo means light. Two words are here. One is known as photo. Photo means light. And second word synthesis. Synthesis means combine. So what is the definition of photosynthesis? Photosynthesis means by the combination of light, plants makes their food in the form of organic material, and that process is known as photosynthesis. And children, in photosynthesis process, plants use raw materials. They take raw materials from their surrounding, or you can say they take raw materials from their environment. And the raw materials are, number 1 is carbon dioxide, number 2 water, and number 3 is sunlight. That all the things I had taught in my last lecture. Today we will discuss about how photosynthesis process takes place. So photosynthesis process takes place in one photosynthetic organ is present in the plant, and the name of photosynthetic organ is chloroplast. Understood all of you children? Photosynthesis process takes place in photosynthetic part of plant, and the photosynthetic part is known as chloroplast. That chloroplast that you have studied in class 9th, chloroplast is present in mesophyll cells. Understood all of you? Large number of chloroplasts are present in mesophyll cells, and that chloroplast help in the process of photosynthesis. Keep it in your mind. And in chloroplast, one pigment is present, and the name of pigment is chlorophyll. And the name of pigment is chlorophyll. So by the use of chlorophyll, plants makes their food, and that process is known as photosynthesis process. So come to chloroplast. In chloroplast, two parts are there. One is known as stroma and second is known as granum. Understood all of you? Two parts are present in chloroplast. Chloroplast is disc-like double membranous structure. Disc-like double membranous structure, outer membrane and inner membrane, and inside inner membrane lumen is present, and in that lumen two parts are there. One is known as granum and second is known as stroma. So granum are the basically stacks of thylakoids, or you can say granum form one stack coin-like structure arranged in a group, and that coin-like granum form thylakoid. Understood all of you? So in photosynthesis process, two steps are there. One is known as light reaction, and second is known as dark reaction. Dark reaction. Understood all of you? As in my last lecture I taught you, all physiological process completes into a step. Understood all of you? So whole photosynthesis process, for you can say for the completion of whole photosynthesis process, it takes 24 hours. So one cycle of photosynthesis completes into 24 hours, and during this process two steps are there. One is known as light reaction and second is known as dark reaction. So photosynthesis takes place in two steps. One is known as light reaction and second is known as dark reaction. Dark reaction takes place in stroma reaction takes place in stroma and light reaction takes place in vena. Understood all of you? So this way photosynthesis completes into two steps. One is known as light reaction and second is known as dark reaction. After that we will study about the mechanism of photosynthesis, and mechanism of photosynthesis means how light reaction takes place and how dark reaction takes place. So in my next video I will teach you how light reaction takes place and how dark reaction takes place.